Because REWA has become one of the well-known names in the board repair worldwide, and it's very highly regarded for that.
I chose to study in REWA because of the YouTube channel, so a lot of good videos, and I heard you guys are the best.
The feedback from the clients was really good, it's like they looked really professional.
I've seen the YouTubes for REWA, and it was real professional, especially the master here. I want to meet him, I want to ask him a lot of questions.
한국에서 로직 보드 트레이닝을 공부를 하려고 했는데 그렇게 공부할 수 있는 곳이 많지가 않아서
Because I was concerned about iPhone repair, and I was thinking REWA have good capability to learn something new about iPhone repairing stuff. I'm worried about the language because I cannot speak Mandarin, and when I come here, the REWA team have a good communication, English communication, so right now I'm not worried about that.
Language barrier, but most of you speak English, so no.
네, 외국에서 공부하는 게 쉽지 않죠, 당연히. 근데 이제 또 음식 문제도 있고 다른 문제들도 많이 있는데 소통의 문제 같은 경우도 있고 많이 있는데 일단 근데 결정을 하고 나서는 별로 걱정을 하지 않았던 것 같아요.
How easy it was for me to get from Bahrain to China. This was one of the big problems. And the duration of the course, 6 days, because I work also full-time on some other job. And I wish I had planned to stay even more, because I will get more benefit out of the days that I spent here at REWA.
I was quite confident. I knew I was going to the right place. I knew I was going to have good teachers around me. So this has been great. This is huge for me.
Because I'm coming here to a new city, I know nothing here. But everybody here, if I ask help from anybody, everybody is helping. That's what I like here. It looks like family. They're all professionals. When they teach us, they make it simple for us so fast. Like 6 days, I keep trying to do self-studying through YouTube, through some books, and it takes me a month, and I did not get to that level. I'm really impressed about that.
The team is very experienced, very skilled, and they know what they are doing, and they know how to put forward the information to the students. They are very good at teaching, and they are very patient as well.
Excellent. They've been very supportive. They're there, any problems, if you're stuck, they're there to help you through step by step, and excellent, good, very helpful.
REWA company was great, and the hospitality is good. I'm just impressed about the hospitality, and the team is friendly.
생각보다 되게 친절하고 잘해주셔서 되게 놀랐고요. 영어를 잘하지 못하는 다른 팀원도 있었는데 팀원도 어렵지 않게 공부를 했던 것 같아요.
The company is bigger than I thought, and the people who learn us are really skilled, really good in what they do, and they can teach us very well. A lot. First of all, the basic stuff, using the tools, reading the schematics, bitmap, the board view, troubleshooting problems with iPhones. They gave us boards so we can troubleshoot the issue self, like camera is not working. Then we have to see where the problem is, take the board view, read, and try to fix the problem.
I learned how to do soldering in the best way, in the good way. I learned how to do jumper wire, how to do troubleshooting. That's the most important thing. That's what I'm looking for. Also about reading the schematic diagram, all of that. I learned a lot. I'm still learning now.
I've learned how to fix the iPhone 7 very well, and all the common problems that it has. And I think it will be much easier for us now dealing with iPhone 7s and even the older models as well.
네, 저는 여기 와서 회로도를 처음 접했는데 생각보다 그렇게 많이 어렵지 않았어요. 필요한 부분이랑 뭐 여러 가지를 공부할 수 있어서.
I'm learned so many things from the troubleshooting the problem and know about phone schematic more deeply, and our master he's gave some trick about repairing some problem, and that was great.
A lot that I didn't know, this like logic board more in depth, you know, troubleshooting, that was a huge one for me. Starting from the beginning and working your way right through, quite impressive. Oh, look, no, not really. I think they're set up well and well organised. They've got it spot on.
로직보드 트레이닝이 6일 정도 기간이 되는데 기간이 조금 더 길었으면 연습을 더 많이 할 수 있어서 더 좋을 것 같아요.
It was good, of course, but there are a few things like when we have to use another lens in the microscope, sometimes it's too high, so we have to we need to be able to adjust the height of our chairs so we can see it better.
We can have screens for every station, because when we do the group repairs, only one person can see inside the microscope.
Please use the credit cards. And also there is something. We need adjustable chairs.
Overall, it's good. Maybe add some Android phone like Samsung, Oppo, Vivo, Xiaomi. Yes, I was thinking yes, because not every person know about how to troubleshooting the phone problem, especially chip level.
Definitely, because this industry is always evolving, and we have to be on the top of the things that are currently coming up in the market. And coming to this course makes this very easy for us.
Very useful, yeah.
Yeah, I'm really sure about it. It's better to come to China itself and learn it here from the people who are good at it, instead of just watching video tutorials on YouTube. But it's good to come to China and come to REWA.
Yeah, really. Now I have already a lot of plans what I'm gonna do when I go back home. I feel there is a much better future for me here. Also, I'm waiting for more deeper courses here. If they're gonna apply it, I'm gonna be the first one on it.
일단 한국에서 대부분의 회사들이 그런 논리회로 수리는 하지 않는 걸로 알고 있거든요. 근데 여기서 배운 논리회로 수리를 또 여기에서만 끝나는 게 아니라 고향에 돌아가서도, 한국에 돌아가서도 더 리와가 계속 도와줄 수 있어서 만약에 쭉 공부를 할 수 있으면 그 부분이 강점이 될 거라고 생각해요. Our best choice for training.
Amazing.
Incredible. It's something amazing, really amazing. And as I said to you, it's so difficult to let somebody feel like a family. They did that already.
Basically amazing. Yeah, they can really teach very well, and they have really skilled people. It's good.
It's difficult to put everything in one word, because I can say quality, I can say patience, I can say hospitality. All of that is true. So if I say only one word, it's not good for REWA.
Excellent, well done. I love it. I'll be back.